Hi, 8th grade. Welcome to your second day of review for the New York State math test. We're going to start with number 18 because I messed up on it in the last video. So hopefully some of you caught that. But two rectangles are shown below. Rectangle P has a perimeter of 20 inches. Rectangle Q has a perimeter of 30 inches. So I did the first one right, where we add up all the sides. H plus J plus 4 plus J plus 4 equals 20. Combine like terms, we get 2H plus 2J plus 8 equals 20. Subtract 8 from both sides, and then divide everything by 2. We get H plus J equals 6. So that's when I crossed off options B and D, because adding those for H and J together does not give you 6. Now we are going to do rectangle Q the same way we did P, and we'll do J plus 1 plus J plus 1 plus 3H plus 3H equals 30, not 50. That's where I messed up last time. So combining like terms, J plus J, that's 2J's plus 6H plus 2 equals 30. Subtract 2 from both sides. So we have 2J plus 6H equals 28. Then divide everything by 2. This cancels, and we're left with J plus 3H equals 14. So now we need to see which option, A or B, gives us that. So let's plug in A, 3 for both of them. So 3 plus 3 times 3, let's see if that equals 14. 3 plus 9, does that equal 14? Nope, it equals 12. So A is out, but let's try C just in case. So 2 plus 3 times 4, does that equal 14? We have 2 plus 12. It does indeed. So that is our answer. So the next question. A school club had a t-shirt sale to raise money. After the sale, the inventory showed that 108 blue t-shirts and 96 green t-shirts had been sold. The sizes of the t-shirts included 60 small, 86 medium, and 58 large. Which table correctly represents this data? So the important part is that there was 108 blue t-shirts, 96 green t-shirts. So we need to go through and see what the totals are to see which ones give us that. So let's see. And we want 60 small, 86 medium, and 58 large. Well, if there was 60 total small, you can't have 60 blue small and 60 green small, so I'm right out on 8. Then let's add up for B, the total. So I'm going to do in my calculator 34 plus 46. 34 plus 46 plus 28 to give me 108. And that's what we were looking for. And with green, I'm going to do 26 plus 40 plus 30. That gives me 96. That's what we were looking for in total blue and total green. So let's see if these add up to give us 60 small. 34 plus 26, it does 60. I want 86 medium and 58 large. So B must be the answer. We can see here, if we add up all the blue, 30 plus 43 plus 29 is 102. So we don't want this one. And this would give us 20, 60, 70, 80, 96 blue, where we're looking for 108. Number 20. The vertices of a triangle are located at F is -4, -2. So here's F. G is 2, 2. H is 0, -4. A sequence of transformations to triangle FGH results in triangle F'G', as shown below. Which sequence of transformations to triangle FGH results in triangle F'G', Well, I can already see there's got to be a dilation, and it's getting smaller. So if I'm looking at our dilation with a scale factor of 2, that would make it bigger. Dilation of a scale factor of 2, that would make it bigger. Dilation with a scale factor of 1/2, that would make it smaller. Dilation of a scale factor of 1/2, that would make it smaller. So now let's figure out if we're going to rotate it. Well, both rotations are 90 degrees. Just depends on we're going clockwise or counterclockwise. So I want F to go onto F'. That direction is clockwise. Number 24. What is the value of n in the equation shown? Well, we know that this 2 times 4 to the third, all we have to do is distribute the 3 to the 4, multiply. So 2 squared times 2 to the n is actually equal to 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Now if they have the same base and we're multiplying, this was supposed to be a 2. All we have to do is keep the base and add the exponents. So 2 plus n equals 12, which means n equals 10. Which set of ordered pairs represents a function? Function means every input has one output. So we have to look at all the input values, the x's, to make sure they have no repeating y values. So I have a 2 and a 2 here, and they have different outputs, 7 and 8, so that's out. Then I see 3 and 3 and 3, and it has 3 different outputs. That one's out. I see a 4 and a 4, and it's got different outputs. So it must be letter D. And I look 5, 8, and 9, nothing repeats. This is a function. 26. A parallelogram with vertices at 0, 3, 2, 0, 4, 2, and 2, 5 is reflected over the y-axis. Which vertex of the parallelogram will have the same x-coordinate before and after the reflection? So if we are flipping it over the y-axis, I'm going to sketch it really quickly. 0, 3 is going to be about here. 2, 0 is here. 4, 2, and 2, 5. And we are reflecting it over the y-axis. Which vertex of the parallelogram will have the same x-coordinate? Well, if we flip it over, this one stays here. So the one that has the same x-coordinate is this point at 0, 3. All right, number 27. The graph of a function is shown below. Which statement is true about the section of the graph? In section n, so n is here, the function is linear and decreasing. It is linear, but it is not decreasing, it's increasing. In section P, the function, here's section P, the function is linear and increasing. That is true. Let's check the other ones though. Section Q, that's this one here, the function is nonlinear and decreasing. It's linear and it's constant. And in section R, the function is nonlinear and increasing. It is increasing, but it's also linear. All right, number 28. The owner of a coffee shop compared the amount of hot coffee per day in fluid ounces sold and the daily high temperature in degrees Fahrenheit per day. Her data are shown in the scatter plot below. If these data are modeled by the line y equals negative 5.9x plus 850, which statement best describes a valid prediction the owner could make? For each temperature increase of 10 degrees Fahrenheit, the shop can expect to sell about 60 fluid ounces of more hot coffee. No, because as temperature increases, the amount sold decreases. For each temperature decrease of 10 degrees Fahrenheit, the shop can expect to sell about 6 fluid ounces more hot coffee. That's a possibility. On a day with a high temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit, the shop can expect to sell about 145 fluid ounces of hot coffee. That's not true because it would be 850. On a day with a high temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit, the shop can expect to sell about 850 fluid ounces of hot coffee. That is the one we're looking for. So this one, temperature decrease of 10 degrees, that's not the decrease. This is the decrease. 6 is the decrease, not how much we're selling. Number 29, squares PQRS and TUVW are shown below. What sequence of transformations of square PQRS shows that square PQRS is congruent to TUVW? So we need to move P onto T. So let's see, we can go 2 units up and 2 units to the right would land us here. And then if we reflected it over the x-axis, it would be down here, so that one doesn't work. Alright, let's try B. A translation 2 units up, 2 units to the right would be here. And then a reflection over the x-axis, over the y-axis, that would land us here. That's not what we want. Alright, let's try 2 units down, 2 units to the left, and a reflection over the x-axis. That would land us right on top, and that's what we're looking for. We can try the last one just in case. Translation 2 units down, 2 units to the left would get us here. Reflection over the y-axis would have us stay. That's not what we want. Number 30. 2 types of shipping boxes are shown below. What is the difference in surface areas in square feet of the 2 boxes? Surface area is the area of everywhere around it, and difference we need to subtract. So box J, we have the area of this face and this face is 3 times 2, which is 6, and we have 2 of them, which is 12. Then the bottom and the top are both 3 times 4.5. Let's see. Oops. Gotta get my calculator out. 3 times 4.5 is 13.5. And there's 2 of them, which gives us 27. And then the front and back is 2 times 4.5, which equals 9, and there's 2 of them, so that's 18. So we have to add 27, 12, and 18 together. That's 17, carry the 1, 2, 4, 57. Box F, all sides are the same. They're all 3 by 3 by 3. So that's 3 times 3, which equals 9. And there's 6 of them. So 9 times 6 is 54. So the difference, 57 minus 54, is 3. Okay, that's all we have time for today. We will pick up with number 31 tomorrow. Have a great day. I hope you're enjoying your break, and I hope you are going outside. It is beautiful. See you tomorrow. Well, you'll hear me tomorrow. Bye.